Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 3 ingredients to make this, and the first ingredient is cumin powder. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed powder to a mug like this. The second ingredient is fennel powder. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder to the mug. The third ingredient is gooseberry. Gooseberry is a very healthy ingredient. You just need a small piece. Chop them into small pieces. Gooseberry helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. They are high in fiber and low in calories, controls blood sugar levels, protect your brain and very good for your heart health. Now we are ready with the gooseberry pieces. Add it to a mug like this. To this add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Drink this in an empty stomach in the morning along with Amla pieces for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. About how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is a flavorful and has lot of medicinal value. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It's very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Then to this add 1/2 teaspoon of sabja seeds or basil seeds. Basil seeds are good source of mineral packed with fiber. Helps to keep you full and thus helps in reducing the food intake. Regulates the blood sugar levels. Helps to keep you full and thus helping in reducing the food intake. Regulates the blood sugar. Improves cholesterol and is rich plant source of omega-3 fat. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 2 minutes. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. The next ingredient is lemon. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice to this mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away along with the fennel seeds and sabja seeds for best results. You can consume this drink in empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down your belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.